So I just got my Amazon baby registry welcome bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that's inside. So let's do this. So first of all, I got a newborn muslin swaddle. This is so cute. It has like little zebras on it. I love that. And then it looks like from Carter's, I got a cute little onesie. It has little zoo animals on it. It's so cute. And it goes with the zebra swaddle. And then Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle. I hear these ones are really good, so I love that. I got one of these in here. Next is something for mommy. It is elastic oil, so you can use this like on your belly. It says for third trimester, so use this on your belly. And then we got Cetaphil baby wash and shampoo. And then it looks like we have a little baby Aquaphor sample. I love these little samples because you can like throw them in your diaper bag or whatever. Or that's what I'm gonna do. And then a little CeraVe moisturizing cream. Also for mom, a little Cliff's Thin Bar. And then we have, it looks like a few, I think they're coupons for like more free samples of the Cetaphil and the CeraVe.